My name's Salem, and I'm co-founder here at 247 Fulfillment.
I'm Zaid. I'm one of the co-founders of 247 Fulfillment, and we're a third-party logistics provider based out of Toronto, Canada, that helps online brands store their inventory and ship their orders to their online customers. So brands spend tons of money perfecting their product, perfecting their packaging, and acquiring customers only to fall short in that last mile experience. And our goal as your 3PL is to help elevate that last mile experience to something your customer truly remembers. We want your packages to be delivered quickly, accurately, and on time, so the last thing your customer remembers is, wow, these guys are on it.
Whether you're a business that's doing 50 orders a day, 5,000 orders a day, we have the proper systems, the technology, the space, and the manpower.
Whether it's shipping directly to your customer from your website or shipping to Amazon, Walmart, Costco, we can help you be where you need to be to grow your brand, which is why our team trained on picking, packing, and the entire fulfillment process. On top of regular training, our warehouse also runs on a powerful warehouse management system that not only helps us find efficiencies when it comes to fulfillment to lower your costs and add to your margin, but also offers multiple points of quality control during picking and packing.
Whether you're shipping within Canada, United States, or international, we have cost-effective solutions to make sure your customers' orders get in their hands.
Our goal is not just to be another contractor that you hire to move some packages, but rather a partner you can depend on at all times for all your fulfillment needs.
So you can focus on growing your business, expanding your brand, and getting to where you want to be without spending those tedious hours picking and packing your own orders.
Another benefit of partnering with 247 is the cost savings. Because of our volume with the major carriers, you're going to get access to aggressively discounted rates that you just won't have access to if you were a singular brand. Once you reach out to us, one of our fulfillment experts will be in touch to craft a customized fulfillment plan to your business needs.
It's a very quick process, very easy process.
And we offer a 360 view into your inventory and your orders at all times. Simply log in to our online platform and you get a full view into what's going on behind the scenes. Any questions, you'll be assigned a personalized account manager with boots on the ground that understands your brand, your products, and your entire fulfillment process.
Give us a call or send us a message on our website, and one of our fulfillment experts will reach out to you.